Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to review this lawn sweeper and why you might need one as well. So let's dive in. So as you can tell, my yard is full of leaves and it is still the summer months. So this thing was definitely something I needed to go ahead and grab so I could check out, try to move some of these leaves, and also all the small debris, limbs, and other items like that. It has definitely been helpful for myself. And as you can see, it's super easy to use. All you're going to do is just push this, very similar to any type of push lawnmower, and it's going to grab leaves and other debris like that and throw it back into the little holder here. And like I mentioned, this thing is grabbing all kinds of leaves and other small debris, and it throws it into the bag here. It's super easy to use and very light as well. It also doesn't make a sound, which is really nice, so that's great for using in the neighborhood, or maybe your area has a time frame where you can't use lawnmowers. This is a great option for you. It's going to be quiet and also be able to get everything and clean it up out of your yard. This has definitely been super helpful for us because it gets all the leaves and everything like that without me having to grab my lawnmower or any other device, and all I have to do is just push this around the yard. The design itself is super nice and sleek. I like it because it wasn't hard to put together, super easy, and all you have to do is put a few of these pieces together and then get it going. It also will break down. You can see these little clips right here will open up, and this will break down so that you can put this in your garage, or if you have a small shed, you can do that as well. But super easy to put together and operate as well. It just has a little device up here up front if you want to make it go higher or lower, and then everything else pretty much runs like normal. And once you're ready to roll, you're going to start pushing this, and as you can see in the video here, it will start picking up leaves and other items like that. And this is literally after pushing this for about a minute. You can see this has started to fill up and almost is full just from going and grabbing just a few items here in the back of my yard. It's also nice because this can run on a smooth, even surface, whether it be your yard, your concrete, or your patio, whatever that might be, and it can also go on uneven ground as well. And then if you want to adjust it to whatever height, if you want it to go higher or lower, all you're going to do is just pull this little bar right here up front, and it doesn't take any effort just to move it up or down. And again, all you're going to have to do is just lightly push this, and it's definitely going to just drive across the ground. As you can see right here, it is not very hard. My kids were even able to do that and had a blast jumping in and picking up some leaves as well. Then once you're done, all you're going to do is grab your bag here. It's easy. All it is just clipped on. You can pick your bag up. It's super light because all it is leaves. This way you also don't have to bend over to pick up leaves or bend over to pick up the sticks. It will grab these itself and throw them in the bag. Then you can just throw them over your fence or put them in the trash or wherever you would like to put them. Then you're ready to get back going, or if you're done, you can go ahead and store this. But you're just going to clip these little options back on here. It clips back in to the front, and then it just clips right there with the two gray pieces, and you're ready to rock and roll again. And you can see right here, it is ready as ever. And like I mentioned before, I wanted to show you this. This is definitely on a steep part of my yard. You can see it is not very flat or level right here, and it doesn't really matter because the wheels are so large and spaced out. Again, it's about a 21-inch deck here, so it has a lot of space. You can see that it takes up a lot of the ground, and so that way you're not going to have to do as many laps. But it works really well on even uneven spaces, whether you're using it here in your yard. Like I mentioned, you can use it on your driveway, you can use it on your patio, or even in your garden, whatever it might be needed in your circumstance, you can definitely use it there. And like I also mentioned, it's also very easy that anyone can use this, whether you're a child or maybe you're not able to push the lawnmower or not able to bend over to pick up sticks. You can push this around your yard and allow it to grab your leaves and your sticks as well. Well, guys, overall, I think this thing is a lot of fun. It's super easy to use. You can see it picks up a lot of limbs. It also picks up a lot of leaves and other debris and stuff like that. Super easy. Even my kids can use it, and it's very light to drop out. So all I have to do is just pick this thing up, throw the leaves wherever you want to, whether in a pile or in the woods, whatever you might have, and then get back to going. I think this is a great option if you need some type of lawn sweeper. I highly recommend you check this out. I'll have a link for it in the description. You can also check out other tool reviews right here, and I'll see you over there.